New feature released. Now, you can easily carve patterns from an SVG image. So, how to make a project by using the new feature of snapmakerjs. What you need: your snapmaker, a computer, a copper clapboard, and some LEDs. Open snapmakerjs to get started. Now, open the SVG file. Set the size you want to carve. There are many options that allow you to set up for a more professional and complicated projects. You can customize target depth, step down, walk speed, and more. Do you want to carve using your own carving tools? Not a problem. Now you can do that by setting the parameters in the carving tools section. Your settings can be even previewed. Just click the low button to check the carving path. Okay, the jiggle file was exported to the USB disk. Let's start the carving. Connect some LEDs. Print the shell. Paint it, assemble it. Install the circuit board with the LEDs into the printed Iron Man. So that's how you make a gleaming Iron Man with a snapmaker.